Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Berti Deatri. I am a student of PPG Prajabatan Unsri 2022. In this video, I would like to present you about my observation guidelines. Here is the illustration of my observation guidelines that I have made in order to know students' characteristics, and the answer is only yes or no. There are 13 aspects of observation guidelines. First, ethnic. Second, cultural. Third, social status. And next, interest, cognitive development, initial ability, learning style, motivation, emotional development, social development, moral development, motor development, and last, language development. The first aspect is ethnic. Here are the indicators. First, students can respect each other's ethnic diversity, and second, students are not only proud of their ethnicity. The second aspect is cultural. Here are the indicators. First, students have a tolerant attitude towards cultural diversity, and second, students share their own culture, such as norms, habits, and customs. And next, social status. Students do not discriminate between their social and economic status, and students build good interaction with other students. The next aspect is interest. Here are the indicators. First, students actively participate in learning process, and second, students feel happy during the learning process. Next, cognitive development. Students are able to understand the learning material provided by the teacher, and students can group objects based on their categories. Next, initial ability. Students have the initial ability to master the learning material, and students can take the initial test well. The next aspect is learning style. Here are the indicators. First, students carry out learning according to their respective learning style. And second, students are able to understand the learning material according to their learning style. Next, motivation. Students have high motivation in learning, and students study seriously to achieve success. And next, emotional development. Students are enthusiastic in participating in the learning process, and students feel happy and safe during learning. The next aspect is social development. Here are the indicators. First, students are polite during learning process, and second, students can work well in groups. And next, moral development. Students can classify things right and wrong, and students have high morality by obeying the rules and not being arrogant. And the next aspect is motor development. Here are the indicators. First, students do a lot of activities or movements during the learning process, such as talking, writing, or drawing. And second, students are active in group discussions and can make presentations well. And the last aspect is language development. Here are the indicators. First, students use Indonesian during the learning process, and the last one, students are able to understand and use vocabulary and grammar well. So, that's all for my presentation. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.